Alright, so we started out the video at 22 Seymour Avenue. That's a townhouse development that's basically finished. And then this one right here is on 24 Seymour Avenue, which is Zen at Seymour. So I'll put the link for a more detailed video I did on the townhouse at 22 Seymour Avenue, so you guys can see it as well. So this is just a driving video, just highlighting this part of Kingston. And yes, we're in Kingston, Jamaica. We're in the Golden Triangle, Seymour Avenue, just showing you guys around. So welcome back to Raymore Reviews. This is one of the stuff we do, driving videos, city driving videos. We do a lot of other videos on the channel as well. If this is your first time, please consider subscribing. Subscribing is free, and just to ensure that you can see a lot more content as well. We're trying to get the channel to 10,000 subscribers by June, so your help is definitely needed. So a lot of apartment complex on this road. This is Oakfield Avenue. It leads back to Oak Road. Alright, and remember to like, guys. Remember to comment, and remember to share as well. So a lot of apartment complexes, and we have Campion back entrance on this road as well. Campion College. Anybody watching went to Campion or are probably teaching at Campion, or have a child or a family member attending Campion, let me know in the comments. And there's some new apartments on this road as well. I think this is one of them, Hazeltine, recently finished. Eye walls and fence, so you won't be able to see much. So this is another nicely finished apartment. I know you guys seen a few glimpses. I think it's townhouse as well, designed as a townhouse complex. So apartments on one side, so that's Turnberry, and I know some more is going up. And then we have Campion on one side. So Campion Gate is coming up. Let me just go back on it. So that's Campion College. They say it's one of the #1 academic high school in Jamaica when it comes to passes and CXC passes. So they may not be big in sports or big in tracks or football, but when it comes to average, CXC average and Cape averages, that's what they pride themselves into. Alright, so one of the things I wanted to highlight as right here as well, guys, is is a commercial development that we were tracking. It's now finished, and the tenant is Total. That's the Total gas station. So that's what they're using as their head office. And this was a development by the Issa construction group right here on Oak Road. What I'll do is to put the link for one of the very first video I did on this commercial development. It's not the one in front of me, it's a little bit down, but I won't be able to stop, so I may just have to stop here and then show you guys a few glimpses. Or what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna continue drive, because this is a driving video. So I'm gonna continue drive and just try get the camera on it for you guys. So it's now finished, multi-million-dollar development, and I'll put the link for one of the very first video that I did on the complex. Alright, so it's coming up in the screen right now. So it's right there. It's raining a little bit, so that's another reason why I won't go outside. So one of the main tenants, not sure if it's the only tenant, is Total Petroleum, the Total gas station group. Alright, I'm also gonna try and go around then and see if I can get you guys some better shots. They seem to be still doing some beautification work. Alright, so I'll take the right here on this green, take a U-turn. It's right beside Chilito's restaurant, and it's basically in front of Crystal Villa Hotel. So it's over here on the left. I guess them doing some tidying up. So this is it. Seems to be the new home of the Total Petroleum Group. Alright, so I'm gonna, and what I realize is that they repaved this road, guys. That's really nice. The first few times I come to do an update, the road that we just came off was super bad. I know it's all paved, and I guess that's what we've always been asking for on the channel. You know, just to any development that's happening, you know, for them to pave the road when they're finished. And this is one such example, so I have to give them kudos. When I'm exiting, I'll just highlight that again for you guys. So this is the development, multi-million-dollar development, right here off Hope Road, developed by the Issa group. So we see what, 4 floors, and it has a balcony, a lot of glass. I like the design as well. Let me know what you guys think about the design and the color, the use of space. Parking seems to be on the first level, so it's covered parking basically. We see fire suppression system. We see them putting in their flowers and other beautification. We see Total sign, more than one, so I'm thinking that maybe Total may be the only tenant, possibly. So probably they just rent out the entire facility for their head office. So that's the Total gas station, Total Petroleum Group. If you guys have any more details, any video I do, I always get them in the comments. You know, persons giving me more details and more information. So I really appreciate that. We're on the compound of Chilito's. How many of you guys have ever been to Chilito's? It's a Mexican restaurant right here in Kingston on Hope Road. So it's Chilito's Mexican food. Alright, if you guys have never visited, you guys can probably check it out in a nice Friday evening, Friday afternoon vibe. Alright, so this is the development. Basically, we can call it finish. We always try to, you know, check out the development when it's starting, look at the progress, review the progress, and then get a final look. We always like to do that. So I guess we can say this is the final look. But construction is really an amazing thing, guys. I remember one Sunday I'm passing here and I did the excavation when they were digging out about 2 floors down, you know. And then this is what we have now, a completely completed building. You know, it's coming from nothing, you know, and it just goes to show the power of engineering and architectural design and construction overall. So let me know what you guys think about this completed commercial development right here on Hope Road. Let me know in the comments. And as usual, guys, thanks for commenting, thanks for liking, thanks for subscribing, thanks for sharing, thanks for all you do. So when I enter this minor road, you guys will see how paved it is, and I can tell you it was a very bad road. Let me go. Yeah, you guys are seeing it, and I guess this is what we are always begging for the developers to fix the road in the areas that they're doing their project, and we finally have it here. So it leads to a dead end, so it's a very short road, so they're just putting in some touches. Alright guys, so remember, like, comment, share, and definitely leave your comments as well. So thanks for watching, and I'll see you on another video, another update, another review, whatever it may be. Just stay tuned to the channel. I try to do an upload every day. It's not easy, but I try to put in the work for you guys.